Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. In front of you, I think it's this one. It's a Makita angle grinder. Yeah, it's this one. I picked it up from a heap of rubbish, a big bag of builder's waste that was fly tipped down an alleyway, with another one, not another Makita, but another angle grinder, and this one I think is worth saving. Let's plug it in. It's off. The switch is a bit sticky. Put your ears on. So you can see it runs just fine, but I'll show you why I'm bothering to make a video about this. In here underneath, where the cable goes in, there's one screw. If that's out, then this should pull off. And now you're in here. Have I plugged it out? I have. That's important. I'm going to need some kind of a screwdriver. So you lift off this little spring. There's the brush. And so I should have mentioned, when I got it first, it didn't work at all. But you see what fell out there is a little half of the carbon brush, and I'll go on the other side as well. So the brushes that I had in it were this size, and they were tapering like that on one side from the pressure of the spring, which makes me think, the tapering made me think, well, maybe they're past their best. So what I did was, I thought, I'm not going to invest. And by invest, I mean invest £2.99 in a set of new brushes. What I'll do is I'll get another brush, I didn't have the right kind, and just chopped it in half and bunged it in the hole so that it's carbon on the commutator ring. And obviously that works. So, how to replace the brushes on this machine? Well, get some new brushes. You go on the internet, you type in the model number of your machine. There it is, GA4530R. Every machine has a model number. And then, on an internet auction site or on a really big other website, you will get, pull this upwards, look. Oops, nope, pull up like that, right. On an internet auction site, you will then find the model number for the brushes, hopefully. You could go on Makita's website and do all sorts of other crazy things, but let's push that down. That's how I do it. Go on that internet auction site and then spend the next half hour trying to find it for 14 pence less, because you find that the handsome price of £2.99 in your own mind is too much because you're a bit of a fool, and then you ultimately settle on £2.99 because you don't want to buy it with a £5 postage fee from some reputable website that you've never heard of before, but sounds like they know what they're talking about when it comes to brushes. Genuine, compatible with Makita. What does that mean, eh? You push that in like that. This is a really easy job, I really have to say. And you pull that spring back over again into the groove on the brush. Didn't compare the new to the old, but I think the new is about 12mm long, and that's about 5 or something like that. All being well, this is the end of the job. Slide this back on, align it so that it fits like that. Find the screw that you've just lost, put it in there, screw back in. Thinks twice about, has he put the spring back on both sides? He has. Now I can't get this to fit for whatever reason. There it is. A wiggle and a shake. It's slipping because it's a Phillips head, of course, and not a Posi for whatever reason. Makita know what they're doing. They've made a few of these. And I love these little 4.5-inch things with a blade in them, made by Ferex, which is from a famous discount supermarket. Might even say it on it. Let's plug it in and see if the new brushes work. Okay. Somebody threw that out because the brushes were dead. It cost me £3. The blade almost costs more, depending, well, it doesn't pay about £1 for blades. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.